Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can retrieve or restore the data that you have deleted from your OneDrive. To do so, all you have to do is log into your OneDrive by going onto Google Chrome browser and searching for OneDrive on your search bar. After that, simply go onto the link of OneDrive and then log into your account like I already am. Here you can see that there are many pictures, files, documents on my OneDrive file. If you have accidentally deleted a file that you didn't mean to delete and you want a way to restore them, then this video is the right one for you. All you have to do is go onto the home page. You can see on the left hand side where the option for my files, recent and many more. There is also a option for recycle bin. If you simply go onto the recycle bin, you will be able to find all the files that you have deleted within the 30 days time period in your OneDrive. Here right now you can see that my recycle bin is empty, meaning I haven't deleted any files. But if you have deleted any sort of files, it will appear right here. And to restore it, all you have to do is right click it and you'll be able to see all of the restore options. Simply click on restore and you'll be able to restore your file. And that is how you can restore or receive your deleted files on OneDrive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.